A humidity dome is one of the best ways to start any grow. It's small and compact, and since seedlings, clones, and vegetative plants don't take up much space, it's the perfect size for the early growth cycles. The compact size also means that everything is much easier to dial in. VPD, temperature, humidity, and lighting are all much simpler to modify and uses significantly less electricity to boot. Increasing and decreasing humidity can be adjusted via the multiple air vents. Heating can be introduced with a seedling mat, and the lighting can be adjusted with these ion beams that snap right into place. The additional height spacers allow for the plants to stay all the way to the early vegetative stage, and the solid walls mean that these domes can be easily reused, grow after grow.